Welcome back. High Court has given 2 weeks to the Goa government to explain the delay in appointment of Lokayukta in the state. Dr. Shekhar Salkar has filed a PIL before the court over delay in setting up of the Lokayukta. He claimed that government has not been able to set up Lokayukta even after 9 months of the presidential assent.
2003 जाल्ले मागीर परत जाली 11 आता परत जाली आता परत आणि किती ताका पीपल आर आस्किंग फॉर अमेंडमेंट गव्हर्नराकडे काँग्रेस पावले की ते करू नका म्हणून अमेंडमेंट पास करू नका म्हणून सो आय थिंक आय डोंट नो व्हेन दिस विल एक्चुअली हॅपन हे परते परते सगळे जाण म्हणटले आपलं हे घाल आपलं तो घाल परत अमेंडमेंट करतले सो इट इज गेटिंग अननेसेसरी डिलेड आणि आमचे सगळे केसी उरले म्हाका दयानंदाची केस ही घालपाक जाय आसली आय कॅनॉट हांवें सगळी प्रिपेअर करून दवरल्या आणि आता पयला अपॉइंटूच जायना कोण
ओके
आयज जातलो फाल्यां जातलो केन्ना कितके दीस जाले म्हणून आमी आतां वायट पळोवप फायनली कोर्ट आस्क्ड आय थिंक एजी वॉज देयर मस्ट बी सो ताणें सांगलें गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज आस्क्ड टायम गव्हर्नमेंटान सांग आमकां एक 7-8 दीस दी म्हणून सो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट राउंड व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू सो दे विल रिस्पॉन्ड एंड देन वी विल गो फॉर फर्दर कित्याक ते
Dr. Salkar had asked the court to determine whether the non-action of the BJP-led coalition government to appoint a Lokayukta and an Upa-Lokayukta under the provisions of the Goa Lokayukta Act 2011 is in violation of the constitutional mandate of providing a corruption-free country to the citizens. With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Khadi.
Aldona BJP MLA Glenn Ticklow can breathe a sigh of relief. Governor B.V. Vanchu has disposed of disqualification petition filed against MLA Ticklow. Governor has opined that he has no jurisdiction to decide the matter under Article 1921 of the Indian Constitution. The matter was earlier disposed by the Election Commission on technical grounds. A disqualification petition was filed before the governor that MLA Ticklow, who is an Indian national, had a registered Portuguese citizenship.
Disqualification petition filed against Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow has been disposed of finally. Election Commission had disposed of the petition on technical grounds.
His Excellency Governor of Goa ताणी हे petition dispose केला 5 तारखेक आणि तांचे प्रमाणे की ही petition जी आसा ते not maintainable under 192(1) of Constitution of India. कारण ताणी जे पळय क्लेम केला तो प्री इलेक्शन आणि पोस्ट इलेक्शन ते न्ही त्या बेजीचेर ताणी कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाचे ते हातूंत बसना म्हणून हो डिस्पोज केल्लो आसा हाजे प्रमाणे आतां हे टेक्निकल ग्राउंड्साचेर हे ताणी भायर मारलेलें आसा.
Governor's verdict on disqualification petition follows this disposal. Article 192 of Constitution says, decision on questions as to disqualification of members. If any question arises as to whether a member of a house of the legislature of a state has become subject to any of the disqualifications mentioned in Clause 1 of Article 191, the question shall be referred for the decision of the governor and his decision shall be final. Before giving any decision on any such question, the governor shall obtain the opinion of the Election Commission and shall act accordingly to such opinion. Earlier in January, Melvin Fernandez, a local from Aldona, and Congress spokesperson Sudip Tamankar had petitioned the governor about Ticklow's alleged dual citizenship. According to Fernandez, Ticklow, who is an Indian national, had registered Portuguese citizenship in 2009. Complainants had demanded that he should be disqualified as a member of State Assembly where he represents the Aldona constituency. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Mapsa municipal officials sealed shops in Mapsa municipal market for failing to pay rent to the municipality. Municipal inspectors informed that the drivers carried out on the orders of CEO of council. This drive will continue.
मला राजन बाबूसो गांवकर शॉप नंबर 14/72E तेजो आउटस्टँडिंग ड्यूज आहा 2,78,291. दुसरो आहा तो राजेंद्र सातेलकर स्टॉल नंबर 75/36 तेजे ड्यूज आहा 18,320. तशेंच तिसरो आहा तो संजय सखाराम फळारी शॉप नंबर 14/99 आणि त्याचे आउटस्टँडिंग ड्यूज आहा 17,260.
आमची शॉपां आसा पळय म्युनिसिपालिटी बाजारान ताजें आउटस्टँडिंग खूब आशिल्लें मोर दॅन 2 lakhs आसा पळय आनी थोडी कमी आशिल्लें तो तेणी भाडें आउटस्टँडिंग पेड करूनाशिल्लें ताका लागून आमच्या चीफ ऑफिसरान सांगलें आमकां तुमी जे ड्यूज आसा ते रिकवरी करा म्हणून आनी तांकां कोण आहा तांकां वॉरंट दिया आनी सील करा म्हणून ताका लागून आज आमी मोहिमी ही तुका चालू केल्या. तातूंत आमी 3 शॉपांक सील मारला.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.